Let us now do the numerical based on the previous slide, and to do this let us recapitulate that previous one again. We know that if resistance, external resistance R is very greater than the internal resistance R, in that case what we will use the series combination, and the formula for the maximum current is I is equal to NE R upon NR. And when R means external resistance is very less than the internal resistance, in that case we will use the parallel combination, and the formula is I is equal to E upon R plus R by N. And when R is comparable to the internal resistance R, in this case we will use mixed grouping, and these are the steps to be followed. Now let's come to the statement. Here the statement is 8 cells, each of internal resistance 0.5. We are having total number of cells is equal to 8. Internal resistance small r is equal to 0.5, and EMF E is equal to 1.5 volt used to send the current through the external resistor of resistance 200 ohm. So first case is capital R is equal to 200 ohm, which is clearly very greater than the small resistance, internal resistance R. So this is the case when we are talking about. The formula used is series, and that is I is equal to NE divided by R plus NR. So in this case current I is equal to NE divided by R plus NR. N is the total number of cells. Here we are having number of cells are 8. EM is 1.5 upon R is 200 plus 8 into internal resistance 0.5. So we can get the value of the current. Second case is when the external resistance R is 0.002 ohm. So second case is R is equal to 0.002 ohm, which is very less than the internal resistance, which is equal to 0.05 ohm. So in this case when R is very less than small r, parallel combination will be used, and the formula for current I is given by I is equal to E divided by R plus R by N. So here EMF is 1.5 volt, capital R is 0.002 ohm plus 0.5 divided by 8. On solving this we can get the value of current I. Third case is 1 ohm. Now you can see here R is equal to 1 ohm, which is comparable to the internal resistance of 0.5 ohm. So we will use the formula for mixed grouping. And what steps are to be followed? The first step is Mn is equal to number of cells. So the first step is Mn is equal to number of cells. Mn. Let us write Mn. Let me remind you, N is the number of cells connected in series, and M are the number of rows connected in parallel containing n number of cells in series. Now this M into N is equal to 8, total number of cells. Second step is maximum current. For the maximum current, R is equal to NR by M, because in this case the resistance is almost equal. So R is equal to NR by M. Putting R is given to be 1 ohm is equal to N, we don't know. R is equal to 0.5 upon M. So we can get the value of N from this, M upon 0.5, or N is equal to M. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 2 or 2M. So we have calculated N in terms of M. Third step was find N in terms of M and put in this relation. So M into N is 2M is equal to 8. So 2M square is equal to 8. M square is equal to 4. So M is equal to 2. Right? If M is equal to 2, N is equal to 2M is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. Right? So we have calculated M and we have calculated N from here. Now the value of current can be given by the formula I is equal to NE divided by R plus NR by M. Now N is 4, E is 1.5, R is 1 ohm plus NR. N is find out 4 and R is 0.5 divided by M. M is 2. So we can solve this and can get the value of I from here. So this is how we can solve these questions by using the step-by-step process.